Well, hey everybody, it's Paul. Welcome to my kitchen. I gotta do a quickie dessert. Got some people coming over in literally just a little while. So I'm going to do a peach crisp. Don't have fresh peaches, but it's still gonna be good. In a pinch, it's a go-to. Okay, now the first thing is I've got my oven set to 350 and I'm going to lightly melt. It doesn't have to be runny. This is what we're going to put the dry ingredients in and make like a crumb topping. So I'm just going to lightly melt 10 tablespoons of butter. Okay, so let's start with 1 cup of Quaker Oats type. And then there's a cup of flour. Now I want a teaspoon of ground nutmeg. This is a half, so I'll do 2 of these. And the same for cinnamon. 2 halves makes a whole. There we go. Now I'm going to add at least a cup. Oh boy, making a packed cup. So if you go over, it's not a bad thing. Okay, we'll call that a packed cup. Alright, now let's combine. And this is just like you've probably seen, I've done the apple crisp. I've never done the peach before. Of course, the apples, you can always get apples around. Okay. See, this is just going to go on top of the peaches. Okay, here I've got a can of 29 ounces. So it's a pretty good sized can of peaches. And you can cut them up or leave them large. You kind of want to give them the once over because you get, see how it's got just a little bit of like the pit part still? You want to take that off. You don't want no nasty crunchies. Okay, here I've got an 8x8. And I have sprayed it with some cooking non-stick stuff. Here's my can of peaches. And you want to make sure, you can put them in and cut them up if you like. Or you can leave them large. Oh, there's a little wrapper. You want to check them though. And just make sure, especially on the inside, that there's no little, they'll show up as brown little pieces of the pit. And these are looking pretty good. We don't want any crunchy stuff in there. Alright. So, that's looking fine. Now we're just going to put our crumbs on top. This is incredibly quick and easy. And this is perfect for this little 8x8. Can't get a dessert much easier. There again, there's nothing dangerous that's raw in it, so we're basically just heating and browning and cooking, getting all the goodness, but it's not like we have to worry about raw egg or anything. Okay. I think that's looking good. Oh, didn't that turn out good? Look at that. Still bubbling around the edges. Nice and brown and just got a nice hardness to it. I put it in for about 30 minutes at 350. And I think that's just about right. Smells divine. The cinnamon, the nutmegs just coming off of it. So let me know what you think if you try it. As always, I appreciate your support. We will see yous.